Hi friends, this is your Srinivas. Today I have to come with you such a good topic, important topic in examination warrant question, that is Euclid division lemma. Yes, what is Euclid division lemma? Before that I want to tell you one important point. In earlier classes, we know very well about that rational number, irrational number, and now it is decimal expansions. We studied very nicely. The rational and irrational number together make a collection of real numbers, we know very well. This Euclid division lemma also belongs to from real number chapter, 10th class, first chapter, in as well as CBSE system and state board system also. Yes, dear friends, you know very well, in this chapter we have to focus on about the divisibility of integers, how to express the positive integer in product of prime integers. In order to do, we have to shall begin starts with main two operations are there. What are the operations? One is Euclid division lemma and fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This Euclid division lemma tells us to how to find the HCF of numbers in easiest way, right? And you know very well fundamental theorem of arithmetic, already in previous classes we know very well something about that. Yeah, Vinayaka method also. That method also I will explain in my video. This is very important for you. And my request is that you are a new person to our channel. You must subscribe our channel. When you are going to temple, you touch the bell. Now, when you are going to subscribe our channel, touch the bell icon. You will get the blessings of God and blessings of Saraswati. And friend, in order Euclid division lemma, by using Euclid division algorithm, we have to find the HCF of two numbers by using the technique of Euclid division lemma to compute the HCF of any kind of numbers. What are the important learning outcomes which we are going to discuss? Rational and irrational numbers, its properties, its representation, and what is real number, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, Euclid division lemma, and the logarithm and its laws. Friends, we are having one different word, lemma. What is lemma? Lemma is nothing but it is a proven statement. The logic. Lemma is nothing but logic. It is a proven statement. We use it to prove the another statement. It is a already proven statement. We use it to prove the another statement. Then the word is called lemma. You know very well. History also we have to know about. Also, Euclid is a father of geometry. Yes, he is a very famous ancient mathematician from Greek country. He written such a beautiful books in his total life. In order to write that total books, 13 books, he has to keep one book. The name of the book is called The Elements. The name of the book is called The Elements. In that seventh book, he has mentioned about Euclid division lemma concept based on Euclid division algorithm. For suppose, what is the day today? 21. Yes. What is the month today? February 2nd. You can tell. Date is 21. Month is February. 21 will divide 2 in 4 basic mathematical operation. In that I am using first operation, DMOS operation, division. 21 will divided by 2. What are the terms we are getting? It is a childhood question. Now we have to go with childhood. Right? 21. This is the division process. 2. Vinayaka method. You know Vinayaka method like this. Yes. Yes. This is a Vinayaka method, no? Dear friends, this is a Vinayaka method. Am I right? Here, right? 2 10s are 20. Remainder 1. Now, remainder is always less than this term. What is this term? What is this term? What is this term? We have to know that. We have to recall it now. What is this term? 21 is the number divided by 2. This dividing term, this dividing number, this dividing integer as called divisor. Divisor. Here. Which one is divided? 21 is divided. Then it is called dividend. Dividend. Yes, dividend. What are the term we are getting as answer? 10. That is called quotient. Quotient of these two numbers. Quotient of this number. What is the term we are getting as a 1? 1 is nothing but remainder. Remainder. Yes, I reminded to you If you learn about perfect about knowledge in number system, you have to see in our previous 3 videos, part 1, part 2, part 3. Very beautiful videos are there. Very good responding I am getting from the students. You should also see, my students. Now here, what are the terms we are getting? Divisor. This is called dividend. This is called quotient. This is called remainder. Our answer is correct or not. We have to check one logic is there in mathematics. What is the logic we should apply here? Simple. What is the big number here? 21. Right? That is nothing but dividend. What are the term will be divided by 21? Divisor. What is the divisor? 2 only. What is the quotient? 10 only. What is the remainder? 1 only. Let us check it, my dear students, my dear friends. Dividend is 21. Divisor is 2. Quotient is 10. Plus remainder is 1. 2 10 are 20 plus 1, 21. It is tally. LHS equals to RHS. Oh, yes, our answer is perfect. Am I right? What do I explain? Simple. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Simply we can say that this is called divisional algorithm. Simply we can say that divisional algorithm. Just now I have to use one different variable, different components instead of these terms. Let us see. In dividend is denoted by A, divisor is denoted by B, quotient is denoted by Q, and the remainder is denoted by respectively R. Such a thing is called Euclid division lemma. Yes, it is also known as Euclid division lemma. Already we learned it is in 8th class and 9th class. Now we have to change it in our style. Now to convert in another variable, then it is known as Euclid division lemma. Here, Euclid is a scientist name. Division is the process of operation. Lemma is a one sense, one logic, proven statement. By using this condition, we have to solve the HCF of numbers in easiest manner. Hello, my dear friends. Here, A equals to BQ plus R, but conditions are very part B condition. Here, for I am going to explain the definition of Euclid division lemma, dear friends. For any two positive integers, A comma B, then there exist whole numbers, Q comma R such that for any two positive integers, the Z plus positive integers A comma B, then there exist whole numbers or Q comma R such that in the form is A is equals to BQ plus R is called Euclid division lemma. This is nothing but formula, one figure we should get it now. Here the condition is, I told you very clearly, this remainder is always less than for divisor. So that means remainder is always less than of divisor. Always. Sometimes remainder we should get 0. That means remainder is sometimes 0 less than or equals to R less than B. This is very important condition. A Euclid division lemma, which of the following is correct? 0 less than or equals to R less than B, 0 less than R less than B, 0 less than R less than or equals to B, 0 less than R less than B. Which is correct? First one is correct because 0 less than or equals to R less than B. 0 less than or equals to R less than B. This is a very important condition. Here no equals, here only equal. Remember, my dear friends. This is simply we can say that, thus we can say that Euclid division lemma for any two positive integers, when there exists such a two whole numbers Q comma R, in this way A is equals to BQ plus R is called, simply we can say that Euclid division lemma. And we have to solve the Euclid division algorithm based on Euclid division lemma to compute the HCF of any two kind of numbers in easiest manner. Now friends, let us see one good question for you to better understanding of Euclid division lemma. In that order, first one for you, find the number which when divided by 47 gives 23 as a remainder, 23 gives as a quotient, and 37 as a remainder. Here what are the terms are given? I told you in our tagline in our previous videos, what are the important terms are there in the question, we have to pick it out, then 50% answer will be there in your hand. Let us see what are the important terms here. Yes, 47 divisor. Divided means divisor. 23 as a quotient. 37 as a reminder. Then 50% answer is completed by using Euclid division lemma. Yes, what are the Euclid division lemma, my dear friends? Yes, you can say very nice. Remember it. I am giving the chance to you. Remember it. Yes, you are right. For any two positive integer a comma b, then there exists such that any two whole numbers q comma r in the form of a is equals to bq plus r, where 0 less than r equals r less than b is called Euclid division lemma. Yes, a is equals to bq plus r, where we have to know the condition, very important condition, 0 less than r less than b. What is the condition for rational number p by q form? Q must be not equal to 0. P comma q belongs to integer. Am I right? What is the condition for fraction? Numerator denominator must be in the form of p by q. P and numerator denominator must be belongs to whole numbers. These are the conditions, dear friends. Remember. Now, here b is what? This is a divisor. This is a quotient. This is a reminder. This is called. We are going to find dividend. Dear friends, divisor. Dividend is 47 into quotient 23 plus reminder is 37. 47 into 23. We have to multiply. 1081 plus 37. Nothing but 1118. How would I know this answer directly? Yes, in our Mathematics videos, they how to do the calculation in easiest, smartest way. You see that trick, you learn it. Now, 47 and 23, 1081 plus 37, nothing but 1118. This is called dividend. Dividend also denoted by A. Answer is finished, my dear friends. You have to understand the introduction of Euclid division lemma, what we discussed in previous classes, what is the importance of Euclid division lemma, what is the basic theme of fundamental arithmetic theorem. I explained very clearly. And dear friends, in coming classes, in our next classes, I should go with in order. What is the order? Rational numbers, irrational number representation. What is the real numbers properties? What is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic? I know, you know very well fundamental theorem. That explanation detail I should say in our coming videos. Now Euclid division lemma. Next video I should start with questions also. Now logarithms also I should going to complete very easiest manner in examination point of view also. Dear friends, if you are having any doubt, anything, you have to comment me about subject. I will give the response to you, because knowledge is divided. Your success is our success. Our channel goal is my student success is our success. Now coming days we should introduce the physics English classes also. Now till then practice well, and now you have to share to this video to your family members also. Thank you. Till then practice well.